We'll guide you through how to download Instagram Reels and videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram and you're wanting to download Reels and videos. We're guiding you through this step by step. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go miss an important part of this guide. So you can go and do this with other people's Reels and also your own as well. So to go and get started, let's go and find a reel that you want to go and download. So you can go and press the Reels and Videos button at the bottom here. Now, what you then want to do is when you find the video, we're just going to do it with this one here. What you need to do is go over to the right and go down. Find the paper plane looking icon near the bottom of the list. This is the share button. So you can go and tap that there. Then come to the bottom row and start scrolling along. What you want to do is go and look for the download button. It's got the arrow pointing down to a line and it says download. What you can do is go and tap that there. It'll say downloading. Keep waiting and it then says finish downloading. So now what you can do is you can go and check your photos and gallery. So I'll come to my photos here and you can go and see that is then there. It's that simple. Now, if you go and find that download option isn't showing or it's missing, some creators will go and turn this feature off, meaning it's not possible. Now, if you want to go and download a reel and video you've been working on yourself, what you can do is I'm going to quickly do that now. So we'll press home in the bottom left, swipe across. Let's say I select reel at the bottom and I start going and recording. Just do a quick example here. We'll press next in the bottom right. Now we're going to be on the edit screen. What you need to do is you want to go and swipe up and then at the bottom you can go and scroll along and right at the end, one of the last options, it should go and say save. And this will then go and download the reel and video onto your device, into your gallery. So you can press save there, it will circle and it says saved. We can then come out of it and we'll come to our photos and it will then go and be there, as you can see. So that is how you can go and download reels or videos. It's really simple because then they can go and be in your gallery and camera roll and you can access them and look at them without having to go and use Instagram itself. So that is it. That is how it's done. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more how-tos like this.